expecting the classic bans to come out. Oh, but surprisingly, Ubek Maniac banning out Black Widow, sub-base picked by Ubek Maniac, and, well, Pavilion
Oh,
Gaming picking
Ubek.
Biancara with the deciding map is Ort.
Hey, Ubek, Mexico ang ban nila. Kapon sila ang pumili niya na. Pero
Hindi ko din alam.
surprisingly enough, Ubek also picked sub-base instead of Black Widow or Compound.
Gulat din ako.
Gulat and this is also a good sign here for Amelion Gaming na as an aggressive team, they will be starting Blacklist. Nakita natin kanina how they really play out ng Black Widow. Just the very much needed aggression para sa Amelion Gaming. Kailangan nila yung ganong klaseng playstyle para kahit pa paano mag-indicate yung laban nila up against X-Solo Q. Pero this time around, with Ubek Maniac starting Global Risk, they have multitudes and avenues of opportunities to make every moment their advantage. Next will be Ankara, and our decider will be Port, which I'm very fan of if you're a team like Amelion Gaming that knows how to play distance. Kung ay aabot tayo dun sa mapa na yun.
Kung umabot nga, di ba? But that's still thinking about it. So, yeah, as I said before, let's talk about predictions naman here, no? For me, there is that bit of inconsistency galing from the side of Amelion Gaming, but I still I feel like there will be that along with the fatigue, and maybe makakalusot ng isang panalo dito ang Ubek Maniac White. Kumbaga, if there's any chance that they'll be able to do it, it's against a team like Ubek, against a team like Amelion Gaming. So, niisip ko, I am going with Ubek Maniac, pero sa nakita kong graphic dito, Salvatore, you're going with Amelion Gaming. Bakit nga ba?
Well, Amelion Gaming did work really hard for their first win, no? And for Ubek Maniac, all of their matches were just really a throw-off, no? Parang nakaka-throw off lang para sa Ubek Maniac na may mga plays sila talagang hindi pa ganun kapulido. But if you're a team like Amelion Gaming that knows how to play chemistry-centered crossfire, they might have a huge advantage entering into sub-base. And yun na nga, pinapakuna na kaagad with Amelion Gaming with multitudes of trades happening here just outside of the sites. Ubek Maniac will be having no teammates here with Enma and Yobs getting taken down. Meanwhile, Zerk and Iren naman ang wala para sa side ng Amelion. Pero habang tumatagal ang oras, UM2, naghahanap na sila ng buwelo dito. They might just go for a sandwich play dito sa may bandang jail and as well as RS. They might just go for a lockers play as well. Pero Yaba, kitang-kita naman kung sino ang kinocover dito ni Skies. I do think important para sa side naman ng Amelion is makuha nila kagad yung pwesto dito ni Skies para makapasok sila kagad from RS all the way to the site. Yun, yun, makukuha nila si Skies. So yan, medyo mahirap dahil doga na si Yaba. May utils pa ba silang pwede ibato dito kay Ilga? Or will they be juggling this around? And wow, Skies actually makuha niya si Yaba dito. Sa wakas, yung pag-antay ni Yaba doon, nawala na rin at yun ang hinahanap talaga ng UM2. Puging will be getting ARB. But now, what will be the next game plan here for Amelion Gaming? Kung ikaw si Aizor, men, saan ka ngayon pupunta?
Yan talaga ang tanong, no? What is the option that you're able to take for? It is going to be either A or Sai. I feel like A, mas maganda ang kanilang chance dito kasi pero di nila alam, wala silang impormasyon na walang palang katao-tao dyan. However, since namatay si Aizor doon, the gamit sa kamay ni Skies, I think may picture na form dito sa utak ni Poging. And now he's in this 1v2 situation. Kaso nga lang, sa kanyang kaliwa, hindi niya nakita, may kalaban na pala, at mulang mahuhulog na din siya, giving a round dito to the team of Ubek Maniac Team 2.
Nice start here for Ubek Maniac as they now founded so much in terms of getting some info and also yung mga pick-offs nila, no, parang ang pulido from Skies and Yobs to just flawlessly mind their own business. Tapos when they walk up, they win those fights. Enma and Yobs, man, uy, that does not look like something that UM2 will be accustomed to. Ulit-ulit nilang ginagawa yun and Yaba found Skies. And that was a pistol matchup of the century, men. Dalawang nagpipistol na tagpo ang nasa beds. Isa nga lang ngayon ang nabubuhay doon sa laban na yun. With now 2 down for UM2. lahat buhay pa rin sa Amelion. They could potentially seek a site here. They might just go for A. Isa lang ang dumidepensa ngayon pero merong coverage pa rin dito sa control room. Yun ay at yun kung makukuha nga ba ng AL. Yaba nandoon and mabilisang pwedeng matrade dito kung sakaling madali si Ilga. Pero Enma mabilisang roll dito. Sasama niya na si RB dito and there goes the jail coverage. Mawala rin and Ired gets a double. And Ilga, the last man standing. One member alone here for UM2 as Amelion Gaming now on the board with a tie game 1-1.
Isa, salit-salitan na naman itong dalawang teams. Okay, labanan agad dito sa MR. So agad balik tayo sa bakbakan, sa aksyon. Iren, unang makahanap ng pitas there, but it's 3 for the side of Amelion Gaming. Tatlo na kanilang nahanap dito. Skies and Enma, nahirapan na sila dito. Now it's just Skies. Sniper needs to do everything. Wala siyang nahanap. It's just a shot to the leg and a follow-up with the pistol. Kaso nga lang, it's too much for an ask para kay Skies and Amelion Gaming. Ganun lang kabilis. Nakuha na agad nila ang control dito sa mapang na to. And it's going to be another fight here dito sa MR this time around. Parang nataranta naman ngayon ang mga taga-GR. Ayaw na nila ipalabanan to at binibigay na lang nila to. Ganada, tinapon dun sa likod pero wala naman din tao nagtatambay dito sa lockers. Sige, yung mapa nandito, spread out siya. Tingnan mo, vents area. May lason na mangyayari. Diba ba ang kailangan pwedeng hanapin? Pero it's actually B-lockers na makakahanap sa sniper na si Skies na nahulog sa kamay ni Yaba. Amelion Gaming. Ang ganda ng simula nila dito. May tao pa din na lumalande dito sa second mid. Papunta na din dito sa control room. Kaso nga lang si Yobs nahulog sa kamay ni Iren. Di ko alam ba't di pa lumalabas itong si Yaba. I guess timing. Waiting. Pampahaba ng pasensya. The right time to strike costs more than the, alam mo yun, rushing things. So, Yobs, nagbabantay pa din. Si RB though, nahanap niya si Isor. Maganda pa naman din to para sa side ng Ubek Maniac White and Poging. Next one to fall and Yaba finally gets spotted out. Damage. At least may nagawa siya kahit papaano. Pero mahuhulog na din siya in that regard and Zerk able to find for another one dyan kay RB and suddenly posibleng 2v2 clutch to para sa side ng Amelion Gaming. Planting na din sila dito sa B-site. Zerk na iwan na mag-isa. Kaso nga lang feeling ko, dapat tinuloy na lang din yan tong plant na to. I don't think he would have died. And, well, patience once again. Enma, headshot, galing kay Yaba. Now it's down to it, still on 2-on-1. AK, nasa kamay ni Ilga. Kailangan niya hanapan si Zerk. Napakababa ng kanyang buhay. And he does find him. Eventually, C4. Wala sa kanyang kamay at si Ilga makahanap dun sa huling miyembro ng Amelion Gaming para ipantay naman tong game na to for a 2-2 score.
Ganda ng kinalabasan ng laban na yon, no? Pero kung isipin mo pre, no? Kaya bang itawid ngayon ni Yobs pati ni Skies yung kalagayan nila ngayon? Which is the one that always gets picked off in the early. Kasi nga sila talaga ang galit na galit at gustong manakit sa pwesto ngayon ng Amelion Gaming. And with this coverage alone here by Amelion, they might just stand out. Na parang napakalaki nila ngayon, pre. Kitang-kita sila sa buong mapa. Alam na alam ng UM2 kung ano mga nangyayari, pero parang wala pa rin para sa kanila yun. Oh my God, kahit anong info na ibigay sa UM2, hindi pa rin nila na ipapanalo yung mga 1v1s and Puging will be the one to seal it for UM2. So now Amelion Gaming will now continue this pursuit, man. 3-2 scoreline. Habang tumatakbo ang oras, man, it looks like Amelion knows how to defy the odds. And wow, maagang pasok dito by Yaba. Ilga, nag-iisa lang dito. Tama nga lang ba ang pwesto ngayon ng UM2? Meron ba silang coverage doon sa may bandang control? Nagtatawag na rin na campaign ngayon si Yaba. And mabilisang mamba out lang din si Idol. Ginugulo lang ang UM2. Wow. This is getting out of hand early on, no? So ngayon, ibang prayo naman ang pupuntahan ng Amelion dahil dalawa na ang wala. mukhang UM2 alanganin na ang pwesto, sabay rotate dito sa MR, makakapasok pa sila dito sa lockers, and Skies will be getting a major pick off. Biglang atras ngayon ang Amelion, and lumalaban pa rin ang UM2. Naku, hindi nila alam kung nasaan si Ilga, and Puging gets backstabbed, and nag-iisa na nga lang dito ang Yaba with a 1v3. UM2 turning things around on an absolute clean fashion. Lumalaban pa rin, hindi pa pala pre. Hindi na sapat yung pinakita ng Amelion, and UM2 size it up.
Maganda ang pinaggagawa sana dyan ng Amelion Gaming, kaso nga lang parang nagkabasa at itong can't get, even if they win the next 2 games, no, they still won't be able to qualify because of the bracket standing that we have. So that's unfortunate for them. So if there's anyone talaga to lose, it's Amelion Gaming. Pero buti na lang, nakabalik na din tayo sa laro. Pantayan na po ang scoreline, and let's see where this round will take us as default. Galing sa side ng Amelion Gaming, 3-2 setup. Well, 1-2-2 setup. Isang tao dito sa woods, dalawang tao dito sa second mid, at dalawa naman din nagtatambay sa MR area sa pasukan ng B. And okay, RB, una nakahanap kay Zerk, hulog na ang isang miyembro ng Amelion Gaming. Huge pick-off for the Global Risk side. And ano nga ba ang kanilang gagawin with this? I'd like to see them, no? I-solidify na lang ang kanilang depensa, ayusin pa lalo, at siguro naman gawin pa ng mas tama ang kanilang ginagawa dito. But still, holding out pa din sila. Patience lang din daw. And there is a drop dito ng bomba, but I think that's just really to ensure that it's in the right hand. So far so good para sa side ng Ubek Maniac. Kaso nga lang, when the timer starts going lower, we need to see a movement galing sa side ng Amelion Gaming kasi wala pa naman silang nakuhang space dito kahit papano. Second mid daw ata ang gusto ng pasukan. Nagtatapunan na din sila ng granada, nagtatapunan na din sila ng utility. Util dump is the play. Is it an A hit? No. Gusto nila pumasok dito sa B. Kaso nga lang, masyadong malakas to si Ilga. 3K, kanyang nahanap. Sinut down na agad ang pagpasok dito ni Iren. Kasi Yaba, 1v5, mahirap, pero posible. Tatlo na ang kanyang hanap. Kaso nga lang yung C4, wala sa kanyang kamay. Flashbang, tinapon, and talon na lang to si Yobs. And okay, onting galit, onting spray, and that eventually will have to go to the side of Ubek Maniac.
Grabe nga yung galit talaga ng Ubek Maniac dun nung muntik pa manguha ni Yaba yun and para umabot yung mensahe mula sa Amelion, binaril ba naman yung katawan. That is a lot of bragging rights no for a team that really knows how to control. Pero after Yaba stepped up, man, nagulat na lang ang UM2. Kaya siniguro na nga nila with a double pick no. So now, Yobs hovering over to this site. There might just be some action that will throw off UM2 no. Pero yun ay at yun kung ifo-force pa rin nga ba nila to. Isang malaking problema pa rin kung ikaw ang AL. Ay nako. UM2? Is it really enough for UM2? Di natin alam men. Sapat nga ba yung pwesto nila ngayon? Actually, oo, nasagot na nga kaagad yung pag-cover nila dito sa control room. And now RB will be finding Yaba. Still a 2-for-1 trade na lamang pa rin ang Amelion. Dark will now be trying to force this out, pero Puging is going to win this bout up against Enma. And Enma still quiet dito. Game number 1. With now 2 still remaining standing here for Ubek Maniac. Iren's gonna get picked out here. Pero panalo pa rin dun si Iren. Plant now called in by Amelion. And UM2, yung unti-unti na nga nila itong round na to in hopes of getting the clutch angle here for RB. Isa ring mahalagang aspeto dito for UM2 is the fact that you have thrown off so much of your group top pushes in favor of just getting one Yaba. Pero RB, dinadaga na kayo ng Amelion and Iren. This is juggling this out full blind para ma-sure pa sa sigurado yung panalo ng round na yun. And there goes Amelion with a very clean round to tie it 4-4.
Oo. Ngayon, nagsasalita na naman sila. 4-4. This round will matter the most. No? Kung sino ba naman ang kukuha ng
spot here
at
for
least panalo dito sa unang
talagang
part ng mga
inubos na nga nila para lang makasiguro sila. Di ko lang alam kung meron pa silang pang post plant. Pero ano pang iba post plant ng Amelion kung dalawa na ang patay sa kanila? Yobs getting some really huge kills. And now the next victim will be Puging. UM2 just cruising over everyone here over to Amelion. And dalawa na nga lang yung buhay dito. Tatlo ang namayapa para naman sa side ng Amelion. Habang lahat na nangyayari niyon, Zark, pati na rin ang kanya natitirang tropa na si Aizor. Eh wala man lang doon sa punerarya ng mga tropa niya men. RB will now be helping some miracle work here. Now Enma fighting it off. Nakakupumin. Distansya. Oh, he's gonna get it off. And there goes the trap play here by RB.
para pumasok dito sa playoffs. Round robin kasi to eh. So every round counts and every round will begin now. Iren, isang anchor dito sa site na patalo na sa kamay ng Ubek Maniac. Dalawa ang kanilang nahanap, yung depensa ng Amelion Gaming, nahuhulog na, kaso nga lang si Yaba gamit ng popcorn at gamit ng M4, nakahanap siya ng dalawa. Now, Poging left to clutch on a 1v2. A familiar situation and yet a familiar ending to that round as Ubek Maniac, ganyan ng kabilis, nag-A fast push at hindi handa ang mga miyembro dito ng Amelion Gaming, na bigla sila, natalo sila at doon sila'y nadali. So now, Ubek Maniac changing it up. This time, mas mapagel ang kanilang gustong gawin and it is back to a default for the side of Ubek Maniac.
Oh man, Amelion Gaming just really creates this facade pre, yung parang idea na kami ang mangunguna, pero pag oras na para maging aggressive, man, bigla na lang sila nagkakaroon ng minor setback. And I do think na one key factor is siguro Eyesore and Puging doesn't really like the odds na pag pinapasok nila yung mga site. And there goes RB. Will now be going in for a double kill laban kay Eyesore, pati rin kay Puging. And susunod naman dito si Ire with a good kill out of skies. As now Ubek Maniac just runs over Amelion Gaming sa sarili nilang teritoryo. Wala man lang nagawa ang Amelion kundi tumingin lang sa dugo na nilabas ng UM2. And now ay 3 strong para sa side ng UM2. Pero ngayon ang lookdown na ngayon ng UM2 is itong machine room, no? Which is quite odd, no? If you are Amelion Gaming, so ng lalim mo na kagad. And Eyesore and Zerk going in for a default. Nakita nila si RB, and huge one for the side of Amelion. Meanwhile, UM2, ang ganda na sana na start nila kaso nabasa na nga lang ng Amelion. Pero okay na rin, naduguan si Eyesore, pati na rin si Zerk. And there goes Iren getting a huge one over to Hyobs. With so far, UM2, it feels like a fever dream sa mga nangyayari ngayon if you are Amelion. Kanina men, you had the good start. It went off shaky. Nakuha kagad ng UM2. Pero ngayon, nasa kanila ngayon ang pwesto. And one more over to the round of Amelion as Enma is gonna get gunned down here by Puging. Amelion, up, down, left, right na set up. And grabe yun.
And now, okay, at least for the side of Amelion Gaming, napahanap pa sila ng paraan para bumalik dito. Pero si ARB, naglalaban agad dito sa lockers area. Natagosan pa si Eyesore. Sayang, akala ko gaganda na ang kanyang cover dito. May isa pa naman nagdedepensa na si Yaba. Kaso nga lang, hinahabol na din siya. At least nakatakas na din, giving up that space. But he's making sure at pinapaalam niya sa kanyang kalaban na nandito ako, nandyan ako para paglabanan tayo. Tingnan mo na sa mapa. Tingnan mo, may isang member dito pero alam ni Zerk. Aware na aware. Siguro narinig niya yung mga footsteps yan and Iren is ready to find for another one. Dalawa na lang ang naiwan dito para side ng Ubek Maniac off such a big lead, and somehow ni NMA, Enma, nahanap niya yung pitas para buksan itong A site. Plant will happen and the rotations will come in late kasi may isa pa kailangan nilang patayin dito. Well, the plant is actually taking forever here. A bit slow, but I guess sinasabi niya, samahan mo na ako dito bago ko to i-plant para safe and secure po tayo dito para si Yaba. May timingan to? Di ata alam ni Enma na nakalusot na pala siya dito sa kanyang kaliwa. Okay, he eventually spots it. Kaso nga lang, the gunfight is still a bit shaky. It's a 50-50. Low HP na din yan si Yobs and Yaba. Nahanap na yung clutch for the side of Amelion Gaming, and dahil lang feeling ko sa side ng Ubek Maniac, onting tagal sa pagpa-plant ng C4, and I don't know what took them long. It would have been such a great play, no? To have the C4 be planted and have another one of your players nanggaling sa lurk to have that late lurk for you. And it would have been such a perfect play for the side of Ubek Maniac. They even were able to put it in 2-on-1. Kaso nga lang, Amelion Gaming, just si Yaba, ayaw talaga ipalipas at ayaw ibigay yung round na yun So now, 7-6, A Million Gaming, pinapatigas pa nila ang kanilang depensa. Di niya alam na may tao pala sa kanyang taas. Fence area, baka mo. Kanina pa nila yan pinapasukan at hindi pa natututo ang mga member dito ng A Million Gaming at ngayon parang minamama na ngayon ng Ubek Maniac as they take up another round here. 8-6 scoreline sa ngayon.
2 more to close this out. Ubek Maniac, all the confidence in the world, pre. A Million Gaming really likes to play na parang knife's edge talaga lahat, min eh. Skies, uy, pre, kalmahan mo, pre. Kalmahan mo lang, walang kasama. Yan, dapat ang timing. Util muna bago ang pasok. Kaso nga naman ang timingan. Naku, na-timingan si RB. Tsaka lumitaw yung nakatagong Yaba. But it's still going to be a 1-for-1. Not in vain pa rin ang pasok ngayon ng UM2. Kasi maganda pa rin ang depensa ng Amelion. Okay, spread dito. Di pa ganun kalakas ang kumpiyansa ng UM2 para mag-entry. Kasi nga, dalawa na nga, make it tatlo nga yung duguan sa kanila eh. Kaya, for Amelion, they just have to play this out smartly. Hayaan nyo na lang na mismong UM2 yung gumawa ng milagro dito. Because then again, you have all but important assets, no? You have utils, you have health, kaya na lang makapaglaban dito. Pero, this is a very, very odd setup para sa side ng Amelion. Hindi ko lang sure no kung pwede pa sila ma-lurk out dito. Naku po, Amelion! Muntik pa nga sila madali ni En. Mabuti na lang kaagad. May kasama si Zerk, and that is Iren. This sets up Amelion for all success in the world, man. Tinan mo nga naman, kahit saan sila pumunta, meron sila makikitang UM2 at kahit lumaban pa sila, wala silang laban at wala silang parte doon sa buhay na meron ng Amelion. And Skies now finds Zerk lacking. Si Iren nga ba? Wow, what a quick scope by Skies. Man, do not underestimate Skies Sniper Idol. The Filipino sniper is doing it. Hindi pala sapat. And Isor will be winning that off para makita si Skies na duguan lang din doon sa control room. And Amelion Gaming, inuunti-unti ngayon ang lamang na meron kanina ang UM2.
UM2 trying to really fight back this time around. Tagusan lang dito sa woods. Wala nakikita but damage has been done. Oh, Yaba. Alam na nila ngayon. They know at this point na Enma, minamama na sila. Napapasok na dito, ganyan kalalim sa jail, and Zerk and Iren left to pick up the pieces. Oo, nakahanap ng isa si Zerk, kaso nga lang si Iren left to do a 1v4. Napakahirap, napakalala, and we are now on map point. Mapupunta to sa pabor ng Ubek Maniac White. Galit na sila ngayon at gusto na nila ipakita na nandito pa sila para lumaban. However, MR, pinapag-contest niya, wala naman, nahuhulog pa. At C4 and smoke grenades, tinapon na din para gumawa ng barrier na yan na bawal lumusot dito yung mga taga blacklist. So now, it is a different part ng mapa ng kailangan nilang kunin dito. A bit difficult, and B-side is going to second mid. Isor nandyan, alam niya na nandyan yung mga miyembro ng Ubek Maniac. Una na nahanap dito, and was able to find for another one. Kaso nga lang, papasok na din dito yung mga miyembro dito ng Ubek Maniac, at Poging at least recovers for the side of A Million Gaming and the C4. Nasa gitna ng kawalan, pero na-pick up na lang din as another pick-off. Hulog na din ang nag-iisang depensa dito sa mismong C4. Yaba daw, red life na mahirap niya, kailangan kunin to, and they don't know where he is. Kaso nga lang, nahanap na lang din nila Ubek Maniac, scoring the first